welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you my granddaughter's room. I have three wonderful granddaughters who I'm absolutely obsessed with, and I wanted to share with you how I decorated their room. As you walk in, you'll see a huge double dresser. My two youngest granddaughters share this dresser. On top we have the gaming controllers, and then we have this piece of metal art. I got this from Burlington. It was $9.99. Goes with the theme of the room. Then we have their cable box, remotes. We have this little hanging mechanism that I bought from IKEA. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but we'll figure it out. We'll have it when the time comes. Then we have their gaming console. There's a picture of my Luca when she was little. She's so cute. And then we have this frame here. Was $1 at IKEA. I haven't put a picture in it yet, but I plan on it. And we have their little garbage can. This garbage can came from Five Below, and it was $3. And then we have some wall plaques here. These came from IKEA. They were $2, and there's 3 of them. And then we have the crazy cat on the wall. This is the cutest little thing. The frame came from IKEA, and so did the poster. I did have to cut the poster to fit the frame, but it worked out. Now above their dresser, you'll see the wall is bare. I am working on a project, and I'll be sure to let you know when it's complete and link it below. Then we have this artwork that I created. All of the items that I used for this came from Dollar Tree and Michael's. I made 3 pieces of art for less than $5. The boxes, you get these from Dollar Tree, and they usually have some writing on them or flowers or something. I just painted over them with acrylic paint, and then I went to Michael's and got foam paper and used the template to cut out the flowers and the heart and the star. Then I painted over them with acrylic paint and then glued them on. Like I said, 3 pieces of art for less than $5. Then there's a walk-in closet. The girls actually have 2 walk-in closets in their room. I use this one for storage. But then there's their closet there. They have their toys in there and clothes. Now this piece of art I absolutely love. I got this from At Home. It was $20. It was on sale. But you'd be surprised what you find when you're out shopping and what kind of inspiration you get. This piece of artwork was a total inspiration for their room. I just love the colors, and I just thought it was perfect for a little girl's room. So I went ahead and got it, and I based all their colors off the colors in this piece of art. The lights, the hanging lights there, they came from IKEA. Not sure why I only bought 1 strand, because I need more. I need to go to IKEA. I haven't been in a while, but I plan on going back. And these little lights have these little flower buds on them. So next time I go to IKEA, I'll grab a couple more of those. The curtains came from Walmart. Then we have these heart stencils. These came from Amazon. They're just peel and stick. And then there is the mirror to their dresser. I did not want to leave the mirror on the dresser behind the TV. So what I did is I went ahead and mounted it to the stud in the wall. So it's very secure. It's not going to fall off. And it really fits the space that we had on the wall, so the wall doesn't look bare. And then we have these 2 chairs. Love, love, love. I absolutely love these chairs. I bought these from Wayfair. The pink one is Mimi's, and the purple one is Ari's. My 2 youngest granddaughters, they're 2 years apart, but they're thick as thieves. They do everything together. So they have their little chairs. They can sit here and talk or watch TV or play video games, whatever they want. And then the chairs came with these little trunks that provide for additional storage. Well, the girls were here last night, so I'm assuming they took their toys out, because they did have toys in there. But they come and they do their thing when they're here, and I let them. But these are really cute little chairs. These boxes here, these came from Burlington. The one on the top was $5 and the one on the bottom was $7. Then we have this little throw rug. I got this from Walmart and it was $20. Let me show you their bunk bed set. Now I have the twin up top and then the bottom is full. I absolutely love this bunk bed set. It provides so much storage and it's good for space. It came with this built-in desk here, which I absolutely love. The girls can sit here and get on their computers, read a book, watch TV, whatever they want to do. And they still have room in their room to move around. That little stool here came from IKEA. I'm going to change that out. I just haven't found the perfect chair for this area. And then this laptop stand here, this came from IKEA. I think this was like $3 or $4. It wasn't very expensive. The task lamp here, it came from Walmart. And then we have these little light lanterns. These came from IKEA. And I used a little battery operated tea lights underneath. It spews off little stars on the ceiling. At night, it provides the girls some comfort, you know, and some light when it's dark. And then we have the left side of the bunk bed, which has these huge drawers. This area here, my oldest granddaughter uses. It also has a small closet there. But as you can see, for a bunk bed, these drawers are very deep. And it's just hard to find this kind of storage in a bunk bed. So that's her area. And then we have the full-size bed here. Now these comforters came from Amazon. There's a twin size up top and the full size at the bottom. I really had a hard time finding these. So when I came across the comforters with the colors and shapes that I wanted, I grabbed them. And the comforter sets that came with the comforter, the sham, and the sheet sets, but I only use the comforter. I don't like the style of the shams or the sheet sets. These sheets here came from Walmart. That task lamp is LED. It's supposed to last forever. It was only $5 at Walmart, so I grabbed that. And then we have this little tablet holder. This came from IKEA. It was like $3 or $4. I can't remember. But when the girls are up top and they don't want to come down, they've been on their tablets, they can just stick them in here. Not sure what they have in here now. Oh, some kind of note. I got to read that later, maybe. And their little walkie-talkies. Oh my goodness, these little girls. They're so cute. And then to the right side is the stairs. I love these stairs because, for one, they're safe and they're comfortable. They're platform stairs, so the girls can walk up and down with ease. But not only that, there's more storage. These drawers are deep and they're empty now, but you know, we'll have the space when we need it. It's 5 of them. Above the bunk bed, we have some custom artwork that I created. I got the canvases from Michaels and the letters from Michaels. And what I did is I just took a template and cut out the little flower and the star, and then I traced it on and painted it. And then the faux frame around the picture is just a piece of ribbon. And then these little butterflies here. Whenever you go to Dollar Tree, they always have these butterflies on their flowers. So I just took them off, painted them with some acrylic paint, and then glued them back on. And we have 3 of those. They came out really pretty. And then we have this artwork here that I created. The frames came from IKEA. And then the inspirational quotes inside of the frames came from Dollar Tree. They were just peel and stick. I actually have a video to this project. I'll link it below if you're interested. But this is an overview of my granddaughter's room. I think it turned out nice. I want my girls to be comfortable when they come, which is every weekend and sometimes during the week. And I want them to have everything they need. So this is their space, and I think it's pretty. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for stopping by today. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.